Good morning, Faces of Day family, barefoot running people. This is David Scoggins out here. We're out here near Crooks Park, which is by South Hills Preserves, a running area. The big problem we have with these specific running locations, they don't have a well-marked location of how to get to it, and some of the areas are actually blocked off. Like up here, it looks like there's a gate right there where you can't go in. So we're gonna try to figure this out here. And we're gonna give it the Faces of Dave Barefoot Running People review here at South Hills Preserves. Let's get going. So it looks like big mistake number one is I started doing this too late in the morning, because I was really trying to find where this location was, so I got turned around. And the sun is starting to come out already, so I don't know how long I'll be out here. This will probably be a short one. So we'll get out here, we'll get to it and see what this place looks like. Looks like that's it, right up through there. Everybody's coming from. So it's one of those live and learn situations. And boy, it's getting hot already out here. Stateless Wonderland. All right, everybody. We're getting started out here. South Hills Preserve. Hopefully I'm saying the name right. Starting off going uphill. Got a sign up here. We'll see what that says. Morning. Got a lot of places for the bicycle folks to ride on. These rocks are out here. Makes the terrain kind of unpredictable, because it's smooth, then you get comfortable, then it gets rough, and it starts to hurt. So on first view, looks like there's all types of pathways you can go. Looks very confusing. Okay. Because there's more than one path you can run. You can go up, down, around in circles, to the bottom, to the top. So there's a lot of places for the bicycle people to ride. But looks like everybody's going up through there. So I guess that's where we'll try to go through as well. Just trying to enjoy the shade while I can, because it is burning up out here already. Are you guys enjoying the trail? Good. Could go up, could go down. We're gonna do something different. We're gonna take the low road first. Looks like this got multiple little paths that kind of go in the same direction. Though it seems like there's a lot of trails, they still go in one particular direction. Like this gentleman's going off to the left, I'm going to the right. But what's going to happen is we're probably just going to meet up right around this corner right here.
Hello, Mr. David. The time is 9 a.m.
And it's getting hot out here. We're still going straight. There's a lot of little small uphills off to the side. We'll probably investigate each one of those when we turn around and come back. But right now, look at this mysterious animal I see out here. Oh man, prehistoric. Yeah, he's like off to the right, up over here. It's like two trails running parallel. He's down off through there. I don't know if you can see him, but they're going in the same direction. Same direction. Okay, here's a split off. I'm gonna stay up. But look, it's gonna meet back and end up going in the same direction. All right. There's a little miniature uphill here. We keep playing chase and catch up, me and this guy. Now he's going to get on his bike and catch up to me. That's what he said he's doing. He's trying to keep up with me. See if we can give him something to work for. Go faster. Look, more bike riders. Go off to the side on these skippity paths.
Morning.
Morning. Let's see if he's gonna catch up to me. Come on, let's go. I'm getting too far ahead of you. Let's go. Confusing back here. Look, this little split off. It's got this little miniature clip drop off and this bridge here. Alright, don't fall, don't fall. People go by.
2 miles, 35 minutes, 26 seconds, 17 minutes, 50 seconds per mile.
All right, I am
2.4 miles, 42 minutes, 18.
All right, I'm heading back to the beginning now. So there's so many little offshoot paths. Hopefully I don't get lost. Coming back to traffic again up here.
You're a champ, man.
You're a champ.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you training
Send
for?
their kids any school.
For myself.
Get them to web.
Time to go back home though. So we caught up to him. He was sitting there with his little group. Barefoot running people, we're heading back home. That was an interesting question. You know, really think about it. When you ask a person, what do you train for? If they say the Olympics, if they say for marathon, the triathlon, see, that's a goal that when it's reached, then what do you do? I mean, nothing wrong with those goals because it's a very good goal to reach for. But when you say you train for yourself, so then that's a never-ending challenge because all those other things have an end point. Olympics, marathons, triathlons, all those things.
2.7.
And when you train for yourself, just for your own well-being, the end point is you. You just keep going. Come out here every day. When you run downhill barefooted, the biggest challenge with that is the speed and the momentum. When you go downhill, makes you go so fast, your foot hits the ground a little harder. So if there's rocks down there, you really have to be careful. So even when you speed down that downhill, and you're gonna feel those rocks, your landing has to always be light. Always. This is what protects your joints, that light landing. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. I love to go by so I don't get killed. He's got a little bell on his bike, so he don't run over people. Here comes another one. Just crash, look at him. Crash. See, that's what you get. Don't go by me.
3 miles. 50.
You ever just stop for a minute and just listen to the nothingness? Sometimes life is so fast paced. It's good just to stop and listen to nothing. Let's get going. Rock and roll. Light landing, rock and roll. Oh, and some change to go till we're anywhere even close back to the beginning. A mile and some change. And we may even try one of those side hills just for the fun of it.
3 miles.
There's the red beast. What the heck? Look at that. Coyote. Look at that. Here we are on Scott Ridge. Up here, all those signs keep saying that. Just wanted to show you guys up here. All right, just wanted you guys to look at that. Told you it's gonna do a little uphill. So we're gonna go back down this little side trail right off through here. Right down here. Oh boy, do you think we can do that? Let's give it a shot. All right. We are sliding down this little hill from Scott Ridge here. Wow. Right. Came from up there. Pretty dirty, I have to say that. Pretty dirty. Downhill. Look at this. This is a ramp to jump down there. Somebody is crazy. I wouldn't do that. We're gonna go down this hill coming from Scott Ridge. Ooh. Let's see if we can do this standing up. Or it'll be my first time falling on camera. Whoa. Okay. Remember I said going downhill? Ooh. Going downhill in those rocks. Oh yeah. Looks like the home stretch will be coming around this bend pretty soon. close here. That's the end. That's the beginning gate we came from, right up in here. All these rough rocks in the beginning. Ooh.
Hello.
Hi. Ooh, ow, ow, ow. Skippity paps. All right, guys. Thanks so much for coming along with me, Barefoot Running family. South Hills Preserve, Scotts Canyon Trail. We're going to give it our final review, Barefoot Running people. Hills, views, a little bit dangerous with the bicycle riders flying up and down the trails. Saw a coyote, saw a couple of crashes, or a crash. Overall, I think we're going to give this trail, we're going to give it an 8. That's going to be our rating, an 8. So it's pretty good. So thanks for coming along, Barefoot Running people, Barefoot Running family, Faces of Day people. We are out of here. Have an amazing weekend. We are barefoot walking home back to the car. Have a great day, and we'll see you next weekend when we find another trail